Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about a supplement, pumpkin seed oil soft gel capsules by Nutra Essence. You should buy this product or not. Does it really work or it just a new scam? Okay, so first of all I want to tell you this brand is very new. You can see over here, this is the website mynutraessence.com, and you can see over here the website is 1 year from now, but the redness, the score is 1 only. Okay, and you know why the score is 1? Because there are some red flags. The first major red flag is the product. Basically the product is claiming you will naturally regrow your hairs, and you can improve your hair growth system. Okay, but if you already lose your all the hairs, and if your scalp is totally bald, then it's impossible to getting results by using these kind of supplements. Only minoxidil and redensil is the only last option. Okay, and if we talk about this brand, basically when you buy a product on the official website, when you try to place your order, there is your option like subscribe and save, and when you buy product they will activate subscription on your account. And you can see over here they have 69 reviews in the period of 1 year, and most of the reviews is negative, 56% negative reviews, and most of the negative reviews is complaining subscription related problems. Okay, you can see over here the subscription, basically if you want product or not, you have to pay fees in the form of subscription. And you can see over here the subscription, the product is only 2 ingredient, that is pumpkin seed and saw palmate extract. So basically these kind of ingredient only work if you have any kind of hormonal disbalance issue, and if you have very hair fall conditions, very free, you can starting hair fall conditions. So only these kind of conditions will improve your hair, you can quality. But if you have already bald problem, and if you have already facing so many hair fall issues, then this kind of treatment will not work. So I would like to suggest you, if you are going to buy product, please don't try to take any kind of subscription. Please try to buy only for one time purchase. Okay, so this is the option. And according to my research and according to my information, you should consult your doctor, and then you can take any kind of treatment related to hair loss and all. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.